Welcome back to our series on minimalism. The benefits of minimalism have been astonishing, and it's been an inspiring journey towards embracing the idea of knowing enough for happiness. Shopping became my refuge, a means to escape from the monotony of daily life. Despite finding contentment in my job and overall lifestyle, I grappled with a sense of aimlessness and a yearning for purpose. Each day felt like a repetition, devoid of excitement, except for the fleeting thrill of acquiring material possessions, be it clothes, shoes, or weekend getaways. Yet, I soon came to understand that escapism provided only fleeting relief. Therefore, I redirected my efforts towards crafting a life that genuinely resonated with me, a life brimming with purpose and significance, one that didn't necessitate an escape. It became clear that depending on shopping as a coping mechanism was unsustainable. Consequently, I committed myself to constructing a life anchored in fulfillment. This entailed assessing my present situation, cultivating beneficial routines, shedding outdated habits, and embracing a fresh perspective. Instead of pursuing external changes such as career shifts or relocation, I prioritized reorganizing my current existence. By doing so, I laid the groundwork for enduring happiness and fulfillment. Not long ago, I indulged in a solo excursion to a neighboring town, opting to let the day unfold without plans. Serendipity led me to a quaint cafe where I savored the simple pleasure of people-watching. Meandering through narrow streets, I enjoyed leisurely window shopping, immersing myself in the town's ambience. To my delight, I stumbled upon an art studio and was graciously welcomed by the resident artist, who offered a guided tour of their creative space. Welcoming this spontaneity felt freeing, serving as a reminder of how curiosity and an open mind can usher in rejuvenating transformations. Life isn't merely about completing tasks. It demands a harmonious blend. Allowing space for surprises, spontaneity, and unforeseen diversions is essential. I urge everyone to embrace life with curiosity. You never know what delightful surprises await. In my view, there exists a notable disparity between the experience of happiness and the discovery of fulfillment in life. Happiness emerges from both minor and major moments, occurring frequently throughout our lives. Nonetheless, we frequently refer to the pursuit of happiness as it tends to be ephemeral, fleeting, and can only be fully appreciated for a brief period. Conversely, fulfillment penetrates to a deeper level. It stems from possessing a clear sense of purpose and feeling in harmony with the journey we undertake to realize that purpose. It entails a profound sense of connection to others, our vocations, and the essence of our existence. The avenues to achieve fulfillment are diverse, contingent upon our unique identities and principles. Contemplate your own skills, talents, and distinctive attributes, and ponder how you can contribute to your community. At times, discovering purpose in life involves redirecting our attention from ourselves to others. Irrespective of where we are in life, establishing goals is essential. They not only offer us something to strive for, but also act as a beacon, guiding us like a North Star. If you reside in an English-speaking community surrounded by Portuguese-speaking neighbors, instead of contemplating a move, I recommend enrolling in Portuguese classes to improve your language proficiency. The goal is to completely integrate into the local culture, striving to attain a level of proficiency that enables engaging in meaningful conversations with neighbors beyond mere greetings. Although I recognize there's still a considerable journey ahead, I can sense gradual improvement with each passing day. Observing this progress fills me with hope. Whether your aspirations revolve around financial achievements, owning a home, accomplishing athletic endeavors like finishing a marathon, or acquiring new skills such as mastering chess, set goals that captivate and push you. The magnitude of the goal is inconsequential. What truly matters is your determination to grow and progress. Regardless of the goal's size or complexity, the feeling of accomplishment is invariably fulfilling and invigorating. When the realization dawns upon you that you're living a dream you've long nurtured, it feels surreal to articulate it. Yet, there you stand, inhabiting the reality you once yearned for. This moment serves as a poignant reminder of the potency of gratitude. Frequently, we become entangled in desires or anxieties about the future, obscuring our ability to appreciate the present. It's crucial to take a moment to pause, reflect, and recognize that we might already be living the life we once only dreamt of. Whether it's through keeping a gratitude journal, spending moments in quiet contemplation, or simply appreciating what we have, regular practice of gratitude enables us to acknowledge the richness in our lives. By doing so, we may realize that our aspirations have already come to fruition, if only we take the time to notice. With the passage of time, it's common for hobbies to become less of a priority compared to other obligations. Although hobbies might not be considered highly productive, they serve as vital components in infusing our lives with vibrancy and fulfillment. Personally, I find that immersing myself in hobbies enriches my life, providing purposeful activities to fill my leisure time, rather than mindlessly scrolling through the internet. Personally, delving into reading broadens my horizons, exposing me to new realms of knowledge, while venturing into videography offers me a canvas for creative expression. Engaging in activities such as hiking, biking, and maintaining an active lifestyle not only serve as avenues for relieving stress, but also contribute to mental rejuvenation. Although no one mandates my pursuit of these interests, I'm naturally drawn to them due to the genuine pleasure they offer and their profound positive effects on my mental well-being. Amidst the hustle and bustle of work and other obligations, prioritizing time for hobbies becomes a crucial aspect of self-care. Instead of squandering our free time on idle diversions, dedicating ourselves to hobbies enables us to nurture our well-being and personal satisfaction. I urge you to explore a variety of hobbies that have the potential to enrich your life. Even if they merely evoke joy, that alone is a compelling reason to pursue them. I believe we can unanimously affirm that life is far too valuable to overlook or evade. My hope is that this has provided you with some valuable insights to begin crafting the life you truly cherish. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards simplification. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into living minimally and mindfully.